Wala bang digital signature? Yun lang, pag meron digital signature by any way, I think the committee will accept it.
Walang digital signature, Mr. Chair. However, we have knowledge of the
The
authorship
digital
of
signature, hindi naman yung signature talaga eh. There are various ways by which these documents can be categorized as having digitally signed, not necessarily the signature of whoever is the custodian of that document. You understand? Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
The Vice Chairman is recognized. And then Senator Bam.
Yeah, I would just like to ask former Secretary Bunoan.
By the way, deferred na yung 10 or 15 minutes natin. Ha? Labo-labo na ito. Whoever wants to ask questions, you may just call the attention of the Chair.
Mr. Chair, I would just like to ask Secretary Bunoan, have you seen these files, sir? Do you have any idea? Kasi Yusek ho ninyo si Cabral na nasa possession niya po itong documents ito. Do you have a copy of these files, of these documents? Have you seen these documents?
I have not seen anything. I have not seen any of these documents that we are talking about, Your Honor.
Yusek Bernabe show Secretary Bunoan, former Secretary Bunoan.
Teka muna, si Asek ba o Yusek Conti?
With the kind permission of the Honorable Chairman, I'm Nicasio A. Conti, the Undersecretary who replaced
Yusek.
former Yusek Cabral.
Administer lang namin yung oath ninyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Secretariat.
Kindly raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Please take your seat. Yes,
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Senator Erwin.
Former Secretary Bunoan, can you identify these documents? Kasi Undersecretary niyo siya, I'm sure you also have a copy or you have knowledge of these files?
This document that has been shown to me looks familiar to me, Your Honor. This is the this is a consolidation of the allocables, the computed allocable per district, and well, there are other information here, including what has been the total allocation per, as for the total allocation from the General Appropriations Act.
Mr. Chairman, may I, that is a list, total allocation. My question is, was it released? That list, yan, hawak ninyo yan, sinabi na galing daw sa file, listahan yan. District yan, per district. Listahan lang yan. Ano ba yung sinabit lang sa GAA, nasa GAA o nasa NEP, and then na-release ba?
That I would
Nagawa
not know.
ba?
That I would not know.
That is, I think, what the more important question to ask, not just a list.
I just, I am saying, Your Honor, that looks familiar to me, but as far as these items were released, I would not have any information about it, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman.
Senator Bam.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, has the committee established how the list was acquired? Hindi pa. Nakapagkwento na ba si Congressman Leviste? May we know, Congressman Leviste, how you acquired the list?
On September 4, with Yusek Cabral, after she had a phone call on speakerphone with Secretary Vince Dizon.